Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the cow pasture. We're going to take up the Maule, the M7 Maule. I discovered that the problem that I was having with the Maule, with an intermittent loss of power, was the bad ESC. And interesting enough, that's the second ESC that I put in there. So what's in there now, probably an awfully powerful one. This is a, say, 60 amp. Is a 60 amp ESC. I'm going to have to land her because something popped. Find out what's going on with her. Ah, that's what popped. My strut. Well, can't fly with my strut down. So, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. She got plenty of power, but if I got a broken strut, well, that's not good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.